This weather bulletin is proudly sponsored by Glazed Popums. Habemos papam. We don't have a pope, we've got glazed popums. As a snack or a meal, glazed popums are a real indulgence. Good afternoon. As I'm sure many of you know, we are facing a weather emergency. The National Weather Service expects that blizzard conditions are going to arrive Friday afternoon. The commute Friday afternoon will truly be hellish. There is also a coastal hazard warning, as there may be flooding of low-lying locations such as Palmer Cove. An earlier report we received that there had been looting at the Market Basket on Highland Avenue, and indeed that the store was in flames, has turned out not to be true. Everything is fine at Market Basket, and therefore we encourage you to go there and purchase the maximum possible groceries you can afford. We also encourage you to stay calm. That report apparently came from the Jefferson Avenue Vice District. We don't know the exact source, however. And speaking of the Jefferson Avenue Vice District, we do expect to have a live video report tomorrow, or maybe Saturday, conditions permitting. The commander of Salem Chess Club has asked me to tell you that a chess emergency will begin at noon on Friday and extend through the day on Saturday. Chess pieces should be secured, and all shanks and shivs should be sharpened to the maximum extent possible. Hopefully I will have another report for you on Friday with further information about this developing and dangerous situation.